I wanted a school where the girls could come, where they'd be safe, where they would learn the deen in a good, safe environment, yeah. My name is Miriam Dale. I became a Muslim in 1970 because around here a lot of the children, they don't go to college. They end up just doing menial jobs and then trying to get to Europe or somewhere like that where it doesn't always work for them. The best thing is for them to educate them here to use their skills in this country. And from the beginning, this is like a home. I don't class this as a school for my children. They all call me Mama because they class this as their home. They're safe, and we only want the best for them. I built the school with not only my contributions, but the contributions of all the sisters I knew in Dubai. And only the sisters. No charities, no governments, nothing. Only personal people that I knew, who I used to teach their children, the parents of these children, and expats who became Muslims. These are the people that helped me. But after the war, then only my contributions. Nothing came from anywhere. That we don't do it for money. It's only for the children. And that's why I feel that, alhamdulillah, that we succeeded.